Now, despite another successful outing, one coach has blasted the organizers of the just concluded CARIFTA Track and Field Championship, noting this was Jamaica's most challenging championship in recent memory. Jamaica's team is back home from the Bahamas, where the country topped the medal table for a 37th consecutive year.
Jamaica's team returned home early Tuesday morning from the CARIFTA Track and Field Championships, which ended on Monday evening in Nassau, Bahamas. The country amassed 78 medals, comprising 40 gold, 22 silver, and 16 bronze, 36 more medals than their nearest rivals, Bahamas. But from the look on their faces, you wouldn't have been wrong if you thought these were members of the first Jamaican team to lose the championship in 37 years, instead of one that maintained the proud win streak. Dave Anderson was a member of Jamaica's coaching staff to the Bahamas, and he says it was a challenging meet for the Jamaican athletes and team officials.
Well, I've been to 5 CARIFTA games, and this is definitely the most challenging one. For various reasons, some of our athletes had some issues, some respiratory, some a little bit fatigue after a tough boys and girls championship. So overall, they give up their best, but some of them did not come up with a medal, and we understand and we encourage them to just continue to stay healthy and build on their season so far.
And the challenges didn't stop there.
So far, but the challenges also came from, there was a lot of administration blunder from the organization committee. There were a lot of back and forth, and some persons got disqualified and a lot of protests. So we spent a lot of time in the boardroom trying to sort out issues, which took up some more time that we could pay some more attention to the athletes.
But even though ruling out the notion of a deliberate attempt to sabotage the Jamaican team, Anderson did not mince words on his thoughts about the meet organizers and officials.
To me, I think it was more of incompetence on their part. I don't think they understand how to really run a meet properly. They would have been doing things that we basically could not understand how they could, we'll be given a schedule, and then in the middle of it, they change it without even giving us any prior information about changing the time. So I think it was more incompetence than a deliberate ploy to try to show off a Jamaican team.
Meanwhile, among the many athletes who shone brightly for Jamaica at the championships was World Under-20 bronze medalist Rashawn Clark, who took home the Austin Seeley Award for Best Performer at the meet. Clark won the Under-20 boys 400-meter hurdles on Sunday in a season's best 49.92 seconds, the second fastest time in the history of the championships. The former Camperdown High standout also helped Jamaica take home gold in the Under-20 boys 4x400-meter relay final on Monday in 3 minutes 07.68 seconds. But he says he was surprised by the award.
It's a great feeling to have that achievement right now. Man, I still don't believe it, say I win this, but yeah, I don't have much words to say about this because I'm still in a shock, The
2024 CARIFTA Track and Field Championships will be hosted by Grenada. Jermaine Brown reporting for TVJ Sports.